Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Here today to show you a really cool car. It's a 1955 Chevy Gasser Tribute. And I call it a tribute because this car never was a race car. It was built out of a basic two-door post car with no rust. And they went all out, especially under the hood. It's got a 540 cubic inch Smeding crate motor. It's got less than 500 miles of runtime. This car's never been raced, never been on a track. As you can see inside, there's no roll bar. It was just built to be a cruiser that was fast and fun. And I want to emphasize fun. The paint job is beautiful. It's kind of a marine blue metallic. The stickers on the side are not stickers, they're hand painted, just like it would have been back in the day. It's got Hoosier cheater slicks on the back. The paint job is beautiful. I love this. Real Gassers have 3 pedals, and I believe that. And what's cool about this car, it has 373 gears in the 9-inch rear end. And on top of that, you got a 5-speed transmission. So it gives you that extra higher gear for cruising down the highway. So you can drive this to a car show, you can go down the highway, and you're not limited by a 1-to-1 ratio transmission and 456 gears. This one actually drives down the road pretty darn good. It's got disc brakes on the front and the rear. It was converted to a straight axle. It's got the correct stance for a Gasser. So you're basically buying a race car that's never been raced. And if you look up Smeding's 540 Extreme, it's the most high performance, naturally aspirated big block that they make that you can still run premium pump gas. And here in Texas, we have 93 octane, and the car just runs really good on that. I'm gonna put the hood down. I wanna show you a couple imperfections. On the top part of the grill, just this very top part, there's some bubbles. The emblem on the front, the hood ornament, the headlight rings, everything else is in very good shape. The paint is just beautiful. It's show quality. It's got fender well headers that have cutouts, and I'll start it here in a minute. I don't want to wake up the neighbors. And in the sunlight, this roof, it's like a bass boat metallic. Lots of fire in it. Just a cool car. And the steering wheel's the same way. It's got the metallic in it that matches the roof. It's got harness seat belts just for the lap. A Hurst shifter. You got your temperature gauges. It's got a really robust radiator and electric fan. It's got a little AM/FM stereo. It's got a new headliner. And the seat, it's hard to see, but it has little blue metallic in it. Again, to go with the steering wheel and the roof. The door panels are nice, but basically you're buying a virgin race car, if you will, that you can drive on the street. It's just, it's an exciting car. Let me start it up. I don't want to get the neighbors too upset. I'll let the car do the talking. See the dump up there in the front. What a cool car. I'm going to open up the dumps. There's a switch right here Sweet ride. There's no back seat. It's got an Indian blanket back there. But this was fresh built. It was taken to a few car shows. But if you ever wanted to, it's like the old saying goes, everybody wants a race car, but they don't want somebody else's race car. And you absolutely could put a roll bar in it and take it to the track. But it's so enjoyable to pull into a car show with the headers capped. And it still sounds beautiful. When you pull in the parking lot, you hit that button and you kind of unleash the beast. And I'll tell you what, it draws a crowd. People love this car. It gives me chill bumps talking about it because I've experienced it. But if you're looking for a really awesome gasser that you can actually drive down the highway, and it's kind of a virgin car, this is the one. Don't miss it. I've never seen another one like this. We have sold a few gassers over the years, and they've all been retired race cars. Most of them had 411 gears in the back or 456s, and you could drive them down the street. You just couldn't really go anywhere because if you're going 60 or 70 miles an hour, you're tacking 3,500 RPMs. With this, you're not. And look up the Smedding Extreme 540 online. It's not a cheap motor. It's a hand-built aluminum head. They use nothing but the premium parts, and they provide a dyno sheet with each motor that's built. And the motors are run in on the dyno. I'm really sorry this video is so long, but there's so much to talk about on this beautiful 55 Chevy Gasser Tribute. Well, I'm Bronco Bob wishing you happy trails and hope to see you in our showroom soon.